Hey everyone, welcome back. I have a special video for you today, and it is the Cheeky Reboot. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for Cheekies, and I'm super glad myself that this is back because there's also 3 new physical stamps, and I'll get into that in a bit, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about this kit, the changes from the original to the new, and also for all you on attending the Pomona Scrapbook Expo. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting for the Cheekies because either you weren't following us prior to the originals or you want to collect them all in a set. This is for you. It is available for pre-order this week. I will put the date somewhere here and down below. I can't think of it off the top of my head right now, but this is for all you Cheeky lovers. We have 13 Cheekies in this big kit, 10 of which are rebooted, 3 are new. And you have some words: LOL, kiss me, miss me, hi doll, meow, mine, hello, and then just a few little icons, arrow, flowers, and a heart. Time. Please make sure to follow us on Instagram, our Facebook pages, and even sign up for our website. It's thegreetingfarm.com, and please sign up so you get all the latest info. If you don't catch our YouTube videos or happen to not log on to Instagram or Facebook, or because of the algorithms you don't see our posts, so make sure to sign up for our newsletter. Okay, really quickly, let me just say about our pre-order. Once again, I know there's a lot of you guys that have been watching our videos, but those new people that don't really know much about our pre-order, how it works, and why I highly recommend you pre-order any of our stamp sets that do go on pre-order. Why you should do it is, 1, you are guaranteed a stamp set if you pre-order. 2, the price. The price is a lot more expensive if you don't pre-order. And let me go back to why you are guaranteed a stamp if you pre-order. Basically, whatever we have left, once we sent out all the pre-order stamp sets or stamp kits, we put the leftovers in the store, the Greeting Farm store. Now, they're very limited. Sometimes we have, well, I can't even say sometimes we have a lot because we don't. Everybody really pre-orders, and whatever's left over goes into the store. So there is very limited amount of these big kits. And when these big kits are in the store, they are regular price. And if you are banking on, oh, I'll just buy it when it goes into the store, they sell out pretty quick. And they don't come back unless we have a high demand for it. So that is why I highly recommend pre-ordering when we have these pre-orders. So that is the gist of why you should order it now during this week, because it gets crazy. I'm going to quickly go over the differences in the original images and the newer images. So I went ahead and stamped these out. I did cut some of these out for you guys. So this was how our originals came in. They were red rubber, and you had to cut them out. And they were, for me, they're harder to store, but I do love red rubber, don't get me wrong. So this one is Cheeky Chat. This is the original, and I'm just going to say the original is on the left side, the new modified version is on the right side. So first of all, you can already immediately see the differences in between these two images, the size. The next noticeable differences is the features are a lot bolder, like the eyes and the lips, and you can't tell here because I double stamped this because it was super light. But let me take out an image here. So that's the original. This is the newer one. If you can see, it is a lot bolder. The lines on the newer ones are a lot bolder than the older version. There is a very noticeable difference with the newer version. She is a lot more voluptuous. And when I say that, you can look for yourself. I'm not going to point it out, but For me, the newer Cheekies are very reminiscent to the retro girls back in the days. That's what I identify them with. I mean, you know, if you didn't see the newer version, you would think that was the retro girl. But now that you have something to compare to, this reminds me more of the retro girls back in the days. So I am going to show you just a few of the images, older, newer. There's not much change besides the ones I mentioned earlier. Excuse me. Here is another one. This is very noticeable on the thicker lines and the bolder facial features. Not much different besides those ones. Here is one that changed just a little bit. We have different glasses and the hair is different. This one is parted in the middle and this one is parted on the side. So that is one. Let me see. We saw that one. Okay, here's another one. Very subtle difference besides the ones like I mentioned earlier again. The hair is a little different. You have this opposed to this little one right here, and then you have the tops, and then now you can see what I was talking about earlier as far as being voluptuous. So those are the little changes as far as some of the reboots, but for the most part everything stays the same as far as what they have in the first and the second one. So here is another image. So I hope this helps you see the little differences for those who have the older ones and want to reboot your stamps, because also this one, no, not this one. This one, like I said earlier, comes with 3 never released stamps, or at least physical stamps. These 2 were digital stamps that were on in our digital stamps online, and then this one is a brand new Cheeky. I'm gonna call her Cheeky Skate. Not sure what the name is, but that's what I'm calling her. Those are the new physical stamps that was released in this kit with the 10 original ones. So if you guys are collecting, now is a great time to collect all the Cheekies. You have 13 of them in one stamp kit, and they are our most popular ones or most requested ones. So yeah, I hope I was able to show you the differences between these images from the old and the new, and explain to you a little bit about the pre-ordering process or why you should do it. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am for this pre-sale, because I'm constantly getting emails regarding when is the Cheekies, the older Cheekies, coming back. So here you have it. It is available this week for pre-order, and I hope everybody is having a great week and staying safe and healthy. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Happy crafting, everyone. Take care. Bye.